Hello everyone, my name is Gustavo Chalco, and today I'm going to talk about some case concepts from the Unit 6 and 7 of Semantics. I will cover linguistic acknowledges through conditional semantics, compositional semantics, truth, tautologies, analogies, and contradictions. Okay, let's start. First, what is the linguistic acknowledges? This is the mental ability we have to understand and produce language. It includes knowing vocabulary, grammar, and the rules of syntax and morphology. Basically, it allows us to recognize when the sentence sounds correct or not. For example, the sentence "the cat is sleeping" is correct, but sleeping is "cat clearly isn't. This acknowledged is something we use every day without even thinking about it. Next, true conditional semantics. This area of semantics explains the meaning of a sentence by describing the conditional understand which it will be true in the real world. For instance, if I say it is raining, and the sentence is only true if rain is actually falling at the moment. True conditional semantics help us connect a language with reality and evaluate the accuracy of statements. Now, compositional semantics. This principle tells us that the meaning of a sentence depends on both the meaning of individual words and the way they are combined. For example, the dog chased the cat makes sense because of the meaning of dog, chains, and cat, as well as the order of the words. And if we change the order, the meaning changes completely. Compositionality allows us to understand and produce an infinite numbers of sentences. Let's move on the truth. In semantic, truth is about whether a sentence corresponds to reality. A sentence is true if it accurately reflects the world, and false if it does not. For example, Quito is in Ecuador is true, while Quito is in China is false. Understanding truth is essential to communicate clearly and analyze statements logically. Next are tautologies or analogy sentences. These are sentences that are always true because of the meanings of their words or their logical structure. For example, a choir has 4 sides, or all bachelors are unmarried men. These statements are true in every possible context because of their definitions. Finally, contradictions. These are sentences that are always false because their parts contradict each other. For instance, a square has 3 sides, or the cat is alive and dead at the same time. Contradictions are impossible statements, and they help us understand the limits of meaning and logic in language. In conclusion, understanding linguistic acknowledges through conditional semantics, compositional semantics, truth, and tautologies and contradiction. Gives us the tools to analyze language and deeply and evaluate meaning. These concepts are fundamental for anyone studying semantics or trying to communicate clearly. Thank you very much for your attention.